Environmental degradation has been the worst enemy of mankind in present times. Global warming, extreme weather conditions, melting icebergs, and the endless list of endangered flora and fauna have left environmentalists across the world concerned. With that in mind, we come to our next award, the Eco-Saviors.
And this category is dedicated to those amazing Indians who have each, in their own way, contributed to making our world a greener place to live in by their life and their work.
These are people driven by a deep commitment to conserve our fragile ecosystems and precious resources. And the nominations are Bal Pandian, fondly called the Birdman of Kuntakulam. Rescuing and feeding migratory birds is his only mission in life. Dinesh Goswami's love for one of the largest fish in ocean turned this daily wage laborer into a whale shark conservationist. He has rescued more than 400 of these marine giants over the past 10 years. Sachidanand Bharti is our water warrior from Uttarakhand. He has single-handedly revived the tradition of digging water pits in the hills to save rivers from dying. And Vijay Jardhari. He travelled the hills of Garhwal and Kumaon in search of traditional seeds. His movement, the Beej Bachao Andolan, has undone many ill effects of the Green Revolution.
He's the firebrand youth leader from Punjab, a man who's seen militancy in the state from very close quarters, a man who knows virtually every member of the media by their first name, a man who's never short of a repartee. His aggression and plain speak is a welcome change for us in the media from those politicians who are always watching their words, sometimes a bit too carefully. The media just love his quotable quotes. May I call up on stage the young and dynamic Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Mr. Manish Tiwari.
In the category of Eco-Saviors, the winner is Sachidanand Bharti.
सभी उपस्थित भाइयों और बहनों, हम लोगों ने पिछले 35 सालों में करीब 135 से अधिक गांव में घने जंगल तैयार किए हैं और 30,000 से अधिक बरसात जल को रोकने के लिए चाल खाल बनाई गई हैं। इन चाल खालों के कारण हमारे जंगलों में साल भर नमी रहती है और वे आग से भी मुक्त हुए हैं। इस सब काम को आपने टाइम्स नाउ ने जो अपना प्यार और आदर दिया, उसके प्रति आभार व्यक्त करने के लिए हमारे पास शब्द नहीं होंगे। मैं पूरे हृदय से टाइम्स नाउ परिवार का धन्यवाद देता हूं। बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Congratulations.
Our next award category for Times Now's Amazing Indians is Urban Crusaders. This category is about individuals who are trying to make Indian cities better places to live in.
That indeed they are, and here are the nominees.
It takes a lot to call a city a metropolitan. This category includes people who are making their cities model cities of the world. And the nominees are Poonam Bir Kasturi. This Bangalorean is striving to make a clean difference to society by helping thousands in converting their kitchen waste into compost. Shweta Chari. A toy is a promise of joy to every child. Providing toys and spreading smiles amongst deprived children is our urban crusader Shweta in her unique initiative, Toy Bank. Matthew Jose is the new age paperman who is empowering students in Chennai to recycle paper for a cause. And Jasmeen Patheja's online campaign against street harassment finds resonance all over India. Blank Noise urges women to speak out against the menace and walk the streets with their heads held high.
And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Poonam Bir Kasturi.
We'd love to know what's in that and hear a few more inspiring words from you.
How many of you know that there is 60% organic waste in every bag you throw out every day? Most people don't know this. So you can have an educated city, you can have educated Indians, you can have technologically advanced country, but we'll all be sick because toxicity is not visible. So every day, this is our message: stop mixing waste. Tomatoes, vegetable peels kept away from plastic is usable, beautiful material. You mix it, you're poisoning India. So if you want a clean India, start composting at home. It makes you a better person. So that's what Daily Dump says every day. Thank you.
Thanks, Poonam, and we request you to say a few words now.
Well, I guess we are a land of a million mutinies, but possibly a land of a billion positivities also. And that's what makes this incredible India so amazing. And I would like to congratulate Mr. Arnab Goswami, his entire team at Times Now, for recognizing this aspect of incredible India. And I guess, ladies and gentlemen, this is the side of India which the nation also should know. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Congratulations once again.
The destiny of any nation at any given time depends on the character and aspirations of its youth. Our next award category envisions the future of the nation through their eyes. Young Indians, big achievements.
Now, these amazing Indians in this category are young, they are raring to go, and they have made India proud with their astounding achievements. The nominees in this category are...
The story of India rests in the lives of the youth of this country. This is a special category reserved for the under-18 youngsters who have accomplished a lot at a tender age. And the nominees are Arushi Bhatnagar. This 10-year-old is the world's youngest professional artist. She has created an imprint in the Guinness Book of World Records. Mohammad Ashik. Name any country under the sun and this 8-year-old will place it on a blank world map. Ashik is the youngest map memorizer in the world. Dinesh Dwivedi. Very few children possess the innate genius of solving numbers, and Dinesh is one such child prodigy. This 11-year-old has never been to school but coaches aspiring IIT students. And Sri Lakshmi Suresh is a school-going 14-year-old who has already made a name for herself in the field of computer technology. She is the youngest girl web designer in the world.
He's a young member of Team Rahul Gandhi, as the media calls it. 42 years of age, he brings with him the experience of working in the Rajasthan Assembly for one term and now in the Lok Sabha. He's had important portfolios like Minister of State for Home, before he was elevated to being the Minister of State Independent Charge for Sports and Youth Affairs and Minister of State for Defence, a man who clearly has his task cut out for him as his party shifts gears in the run-up to the 2014 elections. It's only appropriate that to give away the awards for the Young Indians Big Achievements category, the Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs, Mr. Jitendra Singh.
Is Dinesh Trivedi. Can we have this show every month, every week? Because every time you hold such awards, so many millions and millions of people get motivated. So thank you very much, Times Now. Great job, and thanks for motivating youth and people from various walks of life. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations, Dinesh.
It is true that each individual has limitless potential. Now imagine that the power of that potential when individuals get together as a group. At this point, I am reminded of a definition of the word team I had heard some years ago. For team, read together, each achieves more.
And the next category demonstrates just that, the power of we as opposed to the power of me, where a few individuals have put their combined might together and changed the path of their society. Let's see the nominees for this category. Together We Can.
This category showcases the power of we, how a group of people can come together to change social consciousness of an entire society. And the nominees are Anyadesh, Of and by the Blind. This unique theatre group from Kolkata is providing the sightless a social and cultural podium to showcase their talent. Jan Swasthya Sahyog, the brainchild of a group of young doctors from reputed medical institutes who left their lucrative careers to serve those who needed them the most in the Ganyari village of Chhattisgarh. Mobile Creches. This Delhi-based group is working towards a future where every child living on a construction site is safe, healthy and educated. And Project Chirag. Their mission is to provide solar lighting to villages that have never had access to electricity. This group of college students have joined hands in a bid to make India shine.
He started his career as one of us, a journalist who saw politics from close quarters. And then he crossed over to the world of politics. Today he juggles the world of politics, sports and the media with equal ease. IPL chairman, vice president of the BCCI, but above all, Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs and Planning. May I call up on stage Mr. Rajiv Shukla.
The award goes to Mobile Creches.
It's my privilege to receive this award for Mobile Creches. I thank Times Now and the jury for recognizing 44 years of Mobile Creches work at construction sites, providing daycare with nutrition, health, education to children under 6 years of age of working parents. And we hope that in future we can have all children access this right to care and nurture in our country. Thank you.
That is truly inspirational. Mr. Shukla, we request you to say a few words.
Well, whatever Times Group does is unique in nature. So I'd like to thank Mr. Arnab Goswami, Mr. Ravi Dharwal, Mr. Sunil Lula for envisaging this concept, which is unique in nature. When everybody is coming up with awards, with glamour-driven, Bollywood, cricket, because of TRPs, they are the ones who are actually honoring the true heroes. So I thank them for that. And finally, I would reiterate the demand made by Mr. Salman Khurshid, my senior colleague, that at least pick up one politician, maybe Village Pradhan, who is doing a good job for this category. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.